Hi, I'm Rachel Temez. I am the new Young Rembrandts franchise owner in Metro Milwaukee. So what brought me here was really just a lifestyle change. I have been a teacher in the classroom for 17 years, and my husband and I have 2 kids. So I've been lucky that they've been on the same schedule as me, and more recently they're starting to exit elementary school. So it's nice to be able to have that work-life balance with my family and work. I discovered Young Rembrandts a couple years ago. My daughter took a class. It was when we were living in North Carolina, so not in the same state that we currently live in. I don't think I realized that Young Rembrandts was a franchise throughout the nation. I thought maybe it was just something local that they had. So when I noticed that it was also in the Milwaukee area, I thought that was really interesting and unique. More recently, I worked with a friend who knew that the local owner was selling. And so once I learned that, I did a little bit of research, and I realized that that work-life balance I was looking for, this might be a way that I could achieve that. So what I love about Young Rembrandts is it gives kids the opportunity to really learn drawing. So as a classroom teacher, there were opportunities in the classroom to have different activities that incorporated drawing or art. And if you ask any teacher nowadays, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd grade, there are less opportunities to do that throughout the school day. So it's nice that there is an opportunity for kids to be able to be taught how to draw. I truly believe that along with reading and math and writing, those skills need to be taught, and that's the same thing is true for drawing and for art. Young Rembrandts feels like the next step in my life with my family. I love that it gives me an opportunity to still provide to the community and provide an education service, but at the same time giving me a chance to spend more time with my family. My kids are excited about Young Rembrandts. I think my daughter is particularly excited as she thinks that she can work there. She just wants to make money, as teenagers do. But I think it'll be really fun for them to see me teach an art class and really see and learn from that. I'm Rachel Temez, and I'm excited to get started.